What's angular displacement? Anyone? Feel free to answer. Don't be so bothered. Yes, come on. What's angular displacement? Only option E? Okay, so I'll say that. Angular displacement means what? Rotation in, like a position, moving or displacing in angular form, or angular rotation. So 2 pi radians equals to how many degrees?
$360.
Yes, 360 degrees. 2 pi radians is 360 degrees. Okay. So angular displacement can be different from people to people or observer to observer, right? So that's, then what else we discuss here? Yes, here centrifugal force. A force does not act actually, but appears to act. It just moved us. Simple way, like we saw centrifugal drying machine, centrifuge, we saw. Now, next thing we can write here. Radius of curvature is a centrifugal force, centrifugal motion. It's a force also, right? F equals to what we got? M V square by R. Now from this we can find out radius also. R equals to mv square by F. Right? Nothing else we have. Now here, instead of V, we can write m equals to dx by dt square. Yes, we can write that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And here I can write as force equals to m into A. So A equals to, sorry, this one, A is what? dv by dt, or d square x by dt square into m. So if I substitute m here, so mm will get cancelled. So d square x by dt square will get. Are you able to understand what I'm doing here?
Yes, sir.
Shall I show that again? Dx by dt. Because it's a v. It is square. V equals to dx by dt. A equals to, I can write as dv by dt. That means d square x by second order differentiation. Dx square by dt square into m, that will be f. So I can directly write here r equals to 1 plus dy or dx, whatever, or let's write this way only, let it be. You will get confused. It is m will get cancelled. So if we see the centrifugal force and centrifugal, like where it is, centripetal force and centrifugal force, what we conclude here, force we saw as F equals to mv square by r, and v square by r we wrote as omega, right? M omega square by r. Even I can write here m omega square r. That also we can write. So what centripetal and centrifugal, what are these things? Like when both are moving in constant speed in circular path, suppose, but they are not in equilibrium. Like if body is moving in constant speed in circular path, they are not in equilibrium. And suppose if there is no like a centrifugal force, centripetal force, sorry, not centrifugal, centripetal force, this body will not move here. This will not move in circular path. It will move in straight line then. If there is no centripetal force, it will not curve, it will not move in rotational path, circular path. It will move in straight path. Like if I draw something like some box here, like suppose this is the thing, this is the center. If I'm placing some weight here, so means I'm applying a force here. So it will give a rotation about its axis with we can say with angular speed of omega. And we saw some conditions also, when it will move, when it will not. Let's do something with this numericals. Let me paste one question. With option. This is exam question. Let's try this. Then I have to take a screenshot only. I cannot. Yeah, instead of typing, I'll just paste. One sec. Just let me restart this one note. One sec. This one we did, right? Okay. Okay, try this question. Try this. Yes. Are you able to do this? Oh, it's easy only, right? Just find coordinates, that's it. Are you able to do this? Or shall I solve?
Sir, is it option C?
Option C, wait. Just let me check. No, it shows option B. Okay, it might be also wrong, but let us solve. What is the answer? You got it?
C, sir.
C only, like
A by 4.
3A by 3B, 3A, 3B.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me try. What about this? If you're not able to speak, you can just send in chat box for an answer, like whatever answer you got. Okay, let's solve then. Okay, you also got C. Then this book answer might be wrong. Let's check. If I take this for itself, Use the box. A, B, C, D, right? So A, C, D. Okay, so they gave A by 2 as this one. So this distance is A. This distance is B. So this is AB. That means the center is A by A, half of A and half of B. That center will be A by 2. Center of box will be A by 2 and A by 2. Fine. This point, it's already given. Okay. Then shaded portion we need to find out. Let's, the name is what? H O G. The center, we can get this as a 3A by B, right? Yes, 3B by, sorry, not what I'm writing. A, B, nahi. This is half, again half of that, so 4, 3 by 4. 3 by 4th is also 3 by 4th of B. Okay. So we got coordinates for the center of the shaded portion. So if the shaded portion HBOG is cut off, the coordinates of the center of mass. Okay. So have you subtracted? See, have you subtracted? Because we need to subtract this. Because they are saying the shaded portion is cut off. So what will be coordinates of center of mass now? 3A by 4, 3B by 4, that is correct. But it is center for that box. Now we need to find center of this lamina. Lamina means the remaining part, remaining lamina. So first what we'll do? First we'll find area of that whole lamina. That is A into B. And shaded portion, center will be AB, A by 2 and A by 2. Right. Let me write it. I'll forget. Let me write this. Area is A into B. Shaded portion is A by 2 into A by 2. I'm sorry, B by 2, which is AB by 4. Okay, first thing we got. Oof, this question is too longer. Okay, so complete coordinate axis is what? A by 2, A by 2. The center of that center of mass is A by 2, A by 2. Let's remember this. B by 2. Okay. Okay, then let's take this as a x1, y1 of complete lamina. That is, let's take this as A by 2, B by 2. No, x is what? A by 2 only, right? G by 2. Correct. Then x2, y2. Let this be center for shaded part. So that's what we got as 3A by 4, 3 by 4, B. Now we need to subtract. Let's subtract this. I'll solve here itself because I need diagram. Okay. Center of mass equals to A, that is total area, into x1 minus A2 into x2 divided
Sir,
by
I got a B only, sir.
B only, right?
Yes, sir. I calculation wrong.
Okay. Actually, this is a very long method. We can do in shortcut also, but let's solve this one first. Then we'll see how to do in shortcut. So x1 was A by 2 and x2, A by 2 and is 3A by 4. Then we'll do same thing for y. Same thing for y. So here, if I do directly, AB into A by 2 minus AB by 4 into 3A by 4. AB minus AB by 4. So this will give you 3 by 4 AB. And from above we'll get 8, 3, and here down 16. 16 and we'll cancel it. We'll get 12 and here 5. So 5A by 12, yes, correct. 5A by first option we are getting, but let's check about x, this y value. Are we getting for y also? Here x we got, that is 5A by 12. What about y? Check for y. Are we getting 5B by 12? Same? No, obviously values are same, right? Obviously these values are same. Are the same, right? A by 2, B by 2, B by 2, 3. Yes, correct. So yes, our answer is correct. And book also giving same 5A by 12 and 5B by 12. Even instead of doing this long, we should have started this directly. So directly started this one. Like x center of mass, that is m1 x1 minus m2 x2 divided by m1 minus m2. So here m will take what? Same. M and x will be so A by 2. Same manner. We can directly do that. Okay. You understood this one? Have you even got an answer? Okay, it's already time. I forgot. Okay, let me give you. Okay, I'll send question in like a group itself. Solve that. Okay. See you on next class. Bye. And Shruti, I'll solve that question and I'll again try that.
Okay.
Okay. Shall I stop sharing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.